Answer head outside out of the bus through the window. Do you put? But there are a number of students who used to put the hand outside out of the window, the head out of the window. Listen, I will show you. Okay, can everyone see me? If you are sitting this side, see when the vehicles pass, what will be there through this way at the side of the bus or near the roadside? Trees may be there, electric poles will be there, right? You are not driving the bus, so you cannot understand the vehicle is going nearby the electric pole or nearby the tree or where the branches are coming. You are not understanding. The driver only knows that, right? But driver won't take it because if there is any kind of hindrance on the road, the vehicle will normally come this side. The driver will take the vehicle to the roadside, right? If you are putting the hand outside, there will be a electric pole, and the vehicle is moving forward. Yeah, you are showing Tata to someone. You are showing bye to someone or something, whatever it is. But your concentration will be at that boy or at that person, or you are late with someone. You are not aware of the electric pole or the tree which is standing nearby the road. And while vehicle is moving, what will happen? Your hand will hit to the electric pole, or your hand will hit to the branches. If it is a head, then you will get that hit to the head. Understand? Whatever is out of bus is not safe. Understand? Whatever is inside the bus, that's your body, is only safe. And if it is that side, if you are the vehicle will go through that way only. The crossing vehicle will go to that way. And it will be too near. There won't be a much gap in between two vehicles each other. There won't be much distance between the vehicles crossing each other. Do you understand? And you will not be aware of that because of the huge sound of the vehicle. You will be putting hand outside or head outside. A huge injury will happen there, accident will happen there. Understand? It will lead to losing your life too. It will lead to losing your life also. Understand? So it should not happen. Understand? Okay. You come out. See, you came here, and you are just walking through this way or standing here. Can the driver see you? Can the driver see you? See you. The driver will see you. Stand there, stand there, stand there. The driver cannot see you. Understand? And if the vehicle, without seeing you, if the driver is taking the vehicle to the left side, what will happen here? Accident will happen here. Am I right? Because the driver is not watching you. So driver will think that there is nobody near the bus. If the driver is turning the vehicle towards the left side, what will happen? There will be a huge accident. Understand? And for example, if you are walking like this and came here, or you are trying to cross the road through in front of the bus, can the driver see you now? Can the driver see you now? No. So what will happen there? Accident will happen there. Understand? So this area is called the blind spot for the driver. Okay, this area is called the driver's blind spot. The driver cannot see whoever is standing here or whatever is here. Understand? So you should be safe beside the road after getting down from the bus. Are you getting me? Get down from the bus. Okay, get down from the bus. Don't try to walk there. Don't try to walk through this way. Get down from the bus. Stand beside the road. Do you understand? So everybody can see you, that you are safe. You also can watch the vehicle. You can see whether the vehicle is going or being parked there. You can watch very clearly. Understand? After the vehicle moves on, you need to walk from there. Understand? Don't run and cross the road. Don't run and cross. If you are running along the road or crossing the road, the drivers of the vehicle will get confused. Understand? Just be very quiet. Watch both sides of the road and make sure that no vehicle is coming. Then cross the road. Understand? Watch that there is no vehicle coming from that side and this side. Then cross the road. And one more thing. Come with me. Okay, you are standing safe and the driver is watching. Okay, you are walking safe and you understand that the driver is watching you, and you are trying to cross the road while the vehicle is being parked. Vehicle is already here. You are trying to cross the road and you are trying to meet your father standing at the next side of the road. Your father, for example, your father may be standing there or your relative may be there to pick you, and you are trying to cross the road through this way. Your driver can see you. Your driver can watch you. But there is a vehicle here, and the vehicle coming from there. The road is empty, right? The vehicle is parked nearby the road or beside the road, and the road is free there. The road is empty, and the vehicle may be coming, 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler, 3-wheeler, everything may be coming through that way. Understand? And you are just crossing through this way. What will happen? There will be a possibility for accident. Why? Because this driver is only watching you. The drivers of other vehicle are not watching you. They are not seeing you. They don't understand that someone is coming through this way, because nobody can see you because of this bus. Understand? So don't cross the road while the vehicle is being parked. Understand? And if you are walking through this way, you are crossing the road, there will be a possibility for accident. You understand? And be safe here, and slowly come on, John. Be safe here, slowly, after the vehicle goes. Or even if the cleaner is there, the cleaner will take you safely to the parent. Okay? Until you get the help of the cleaner, just be there. From the cleaner to take you there. Okay? You will get, for the students and for the children, you will get one more explanation in language.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ರಿ, ಕೂತ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಕ ದೊಡ್ಡಪ್ಪ ಕಾಣ್ತಾರ, ಕೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಒದರ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ದೊಡ್ಡಪ್ಪ ಹೊಂಟಿನ ಶಾಲೆ ಹೊಂಟಿನ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತೀರಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೀವು ತಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೈ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಅನ್ಸೇಫ್ ಅದು. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಡಬಲ್ ರೋಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಯಾವ ರೋಡ್. ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಂದು ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಸ್ಸಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಬಹಳ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ನಾಗ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಬಹಳ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ನಾಗ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಅದು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಹತ್ತುತ್ತೆ, ಬಡಿತದ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬಹಳ ಮೆತ್ತಗಿದ್ರಿ, ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಗಿದ್ದಿಂದು. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹತ್ತಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಪೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ನೀವು ತಲೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಬಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ಜನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ತಲೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ, ನೀರು ಕುಡಿದು ಉಗುಳ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ಹಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಬಟ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ರಿ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾರು ಓಡೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೇಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ದಿನ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ಬೀಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಓಡೋಗಿ ಬಸ್ ಏರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ತಗೊಂತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೇನೋ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ